Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. If you guys have a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014, that generation, you need to find a fuse for the transfer case control module, guys. You may have up to 3 fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where each one of those fuses is located, how to test fuses, because it's super important to test fuses, and where to buy cheap fuses. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are all our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So specifically, guys, okay, we have right here 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll be demonstrating on, but even if you have a different, guys, here it may be helpful video as well, because many of them will be built on the same platform. The fuse box that we'll need is the one that's located right under the hood. When you open your hood, right above the radiator fan, that's where the fuse box is located. When you open the hood, you'll be facing the fuse box that way. You have the relays here, fuses start that way, and some relays as well. Before we continue, let me explain why it's important to test fuses and relays and how you can do that. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now, guys, another thing, those fuses could be really expensive, and relays at the parts store, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can buy relays and fuses at a really good price. The first fuse that we'll need to check is in the first row on top, and we'll be talking about fuse number 20, guys. So that will be, guys, if you come on the right side and you count from right to left, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it, 1, 2, 3. That will be the fuse right here, or it's the left, from left to right, the 10 fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 20M fuse is the first one for the transfer case control module. The next fuse that we'll need to check will be in this row right here. Okay, it will be a 5M fuse, and we are talking, guys, about fuse number 54, which is 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, guys, right here, from left to right. And after that, we just have one more that we need to check, and that will be fuse number 68, will be on the very bottom row, right here, and we're going to count now at 63, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's fuse number 68, that 25M fuse. These 3 fuses need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.